Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I put my seat on this. I was hitting a heavy windy day and my wheel took me as like a sail and I ran into a telephone pole and my handle that went here was stuck up and I couldn't get it down, so I figured out how to undo the bolts here, and I took it out and took the handle right off, but I left the, I don't know if you can see it there, this piece. This is where the handle sat. I put a pole, a double-sided nut, bolt, whatever the fuck you want to call it, through there that was long enough so I could put a bolt on each side. And then this is just a regular ass Huffy bike seat. It only moves like that and like that. Pretty simple. I think I had actually turned the handle part that the thing was on around, so this was up here. This is just for show, I did that. But it works really well. If you want to slow down, doesn't really mess with it too much. It gives enough rise so I can use it like this as a handle still, or I put my finger in there and direct it just fine. But when I'm sitting down, I just bring it up under like that and sit down and I'm good to go. And it's pretty comfy, pretty easy. It's a regular Huffy bike seat, so you can't really go wrong there. It's comfy cozy. But yeah, I hope that helps. It's literally just the double bolt that's holding it on. This is all from the actual bike seat. It just sits right on there. I forced it down past the I guess you can kind of see it right there. Forced it down past that a little bit, so I had some good holding on there. But yeah, it's not gonna go anywhere. Doesn't mess with the wheel. It's nice. Enjoy. I hope that helped.